Is MBBS becoming saturated in India? With private medical colleges charging crores and seemingly increasing number of graduates, it's natural to wonder, is the investment worth it? In today's video, we'll dive deep into the reality of MBBS saturation, explore the current landscape, and help you plan a strategic path for a successful career in medicine. This isn't just about passing exams, it's about making your MBBS work for you in the longer run. But to understand today's scenario, we first need to look back a few decades. 30 to 40 years ago, becoming a doctor was considered the ultimate security. Doctors were scarce, especially in rural India. Most graduates found jobs almost immediately, often in primary health centers or community health centers. Back then, there were very few private colleges, which meant limited seats and competition. An MBBS degree almost guaranteed stability, and you could easily secure a position even outside metropolitan cities. So MBBS used to be about quantity, fewer doctors, more opportunities. Fast forward 15 years and things started to change dramatically. The government has been aggressively increasing MBBS seats, about 75,000 additional seats over the last 5 years. The expected impact: demand for expensive private colleges is slowly declining. The number of candidates appearing for the entrance exam is stabilizing, and private medical colleges are beginning to feel the pressure of unfilled seats. For students, this is the signal: just paying more doesn't guarantee a career advantage anymore. So if MBBS alone isn't enough, what can you do next? Let's explore the career options after MBBS. After MBBS, you generally have three paths. Postgraduate studies. This remains the most valuable route for career growth. Government jobs through UPSC, state PCS, PHC, CHC, secure but often competitive. Private jobs, hospitals or colleges, but pay and growth are limited without specialization. The key takeaway here is clear specialization increases both your value and job opportunities. MBBS alone is rarely enough for long-term career security. Speaking of private jobs, let's talk about why they aren't as attractive as they seem. Private hospitals and colleges can be a trap if you enter without a plan. Starting pay in private medical colleges is often only 40,000 to 50,000 per month. Moreover, without PG training, your contribution to patient care and professional growth is limited. The healthcare landscape is shifting from quantity to quality, meaning patients value skill, expertise, and reputation over just degrees. And in today's digital era, how you present those skills can make or break your career. The internet has transformed how patients find doctors. Now patients research online, check reviews, and choose doctors based on visibility and credibility. AI is also starting to assist in diagnosis and consultation, making digital literacy crucial. Platforms like LinkedIn, Instagram, YouTube are excellent for building your professional presence. Early visibility doesn't just get you patient, it builds trust and lays the foundation for future opportunities. From the very first year, it's crucial to plan strategically. Decide your long-term goal: India versus abroad, PG versus alternate path. Participate in research, case studies, and clinical projects. Publish papers and share them on professional platforms. Start developing your online presence to build credibility among patients and colleagues. The earlier you start, the bigger your advantage will be after graduation. Learn about AI application in medicine through online or offline courses. Consider authoring books or educational materials in your specialty. It adds credibility. Understanding finance, hospital management, and operation is equally important for long-term security. Practical exposure through OPD shadowing or patient interaction will give you insights no textbook can teach. Remember, specialization and skill building are two sides of the same coin for career growth. Finally, let's put all of this together into long-term strategy. MBBS alone is no longer enough. Your focus should be on specialization, skill building, and continuous learning. Build a professional network, establish an online presence, and maintain credibility. The outcome: opportunities for PG studies, a strong professional reputation, and foundation for hospital setup. Think of MBBS not as an endpoint, but as the first stepping stone in a long strategic career journey. If you found this video insightful, follow us on Instagram at Skillmedic for more tips and career guidance, and don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel for regular updates and deep dives into medical careers.